Hey everybody, today I'm going to a quilting bee, and even though I don't quilt, they allow me to come and hang out with them just so I can take my wool applique or my punch needle, whatever I'm working on, I can just take it and hang out with the ladies. So I did want to show you this. I got this at Dollar Tree. It's like a little pencil case or cosmetic bag. So I've got my little project in here, so I'm using it kind of like a project bag, which it is small, but I had it, so I thought I might as well use it. It's also good to carry your punch needle in. So I want to show you what I'm working on because I have it all packed up and ready to go, and then I thought, well, I should show you before I make it what I'm working on. So I designed this myself. I wanted a little needle book. So this is not stitched yet. So this is the outside, and all you do is take 2 rectangles of wool. This is the outside one that will fold over. So I'm going to blanket stitch all these, and then on the inside piece, this is where my scissors will slip in. I'll blanket stitch just around the outside. This one I will blanket stitch the whole thing. This is where you'll stick your pins and needles at. And then it'll fold over, and that's it. So I may put a little button here with some twine or something to keep it closed. So that's that one, and then so these are the 2 smaller ones. The first time I did them, they were a little small for my scissors to fit in, but they would fit for other scissors. My scissors are a little bit long. I think they're 4-inch. So I did make a bigger one for myself. This is the one I'll be keeping. The other 2 I will probably sell or give away as a gift. So this one is the same pattern, but these will fit in here, and you can see that they will fit. So, and then my pins and needles will go onto here. So I'm going to take off for the day. I'm going over the mountain into North Carolina, and I'm going to stitch these up, and I'll show them to you when I get back. Bye. Okay guys, I got my needle books done. So I have 3 of them all finished. I'll show you what I did. I put a little button on here, and I have this cotton thread that I was using. So inside I have a pocket for your little scissors, and then over here is a piece of wool stitched on so you can put your pins and needles on that. Then you close it up, wrap the string around the button, and you're good to go. So these are the ones I made. This one is a little bigger. I made that for my scissors, which are 4-inch. So there you go. I may make a pattern out of these, but I'm not sure. But it's pretty simple to make. It's just 2 triangles, and then cut your pennies and your inside pockets. So that's it for today. I will talk to you on the next video. Y'all stay safe, stay warm, and have a great day. Bye.